Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can add channels on Slack Workspace. Maybe you want to add channels on Slack Workspace but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can add channels on your Slack Workspace. Check the video description. I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Slack application and log in with your Slack account. From here, you will see here the channels. To add a channel, simply tap on this Add Channel. Once you tap on it, as you can see, you have the channel for General, Random, and VT. In here, to add a channel, simply tap on this plus button icon at the lower right corner of your screen. In here, you have to create a name for your channel. For example, Fun. And then in here, tap on this next button. In here, as you can see, you can adjust the visibility of the channel as public or the private. Let's just stay it on public. Tap on this create button. As you can see, channel has been created. Here you can add people, or you can just simply tap on the X button. Here is the channel that you created. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can create channel on Slack Workspace, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can create channels on Slack Workspace, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.